Hey guys, welcome back. This is Mansip from Dolo Studios. In this video tutorial, we're gonna be making a user interface design of a digital marketing agency. For the time being, this web design will be based on our agency Dolo Studios. As mentioned in the video title, this is a beginner level video. That means everything we'll be doing will be super easy and least complicated for the viewers who are not habituated with Figma. Let's start with the main desktop frame. We'll click the frame tool or F in the keyboard, and then on the right side of the screen you can see some default categorized frames. We're going to make a desktop UI, so let's go ahead and click in the desktop section. Here you go. Now Figma will automatically create a desktop sized frame for you. Now I'm gonna import our logo. Here it is, and I'm gonna resize it. Make sure the background of the logo is transparent. The background of the design will be dark according to the theme. Let's put the color code 272727. Done. We will put some navbar items. Click text icon on the top of the screen or press T on the keyboard. Click somewhere and type home, and then duplicate the item pressing Ctrl D. Drag the duplicated item to the right. Press Ctrl D 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. By doing this, the items will be duplicated, leaving equal distances between each other. Now we are gonna rename the items. You can see the spacing is not perfect, so we need to distribute them equally. Select all of the items and click tidy up on the right side of the screen. Now the spacings are perfect. We just need to make a group out of these items. Press Ctrl G, and here you go. Now since the spacings are equal, we can now adjust distance over here, and we're gonna be making it perfect. Now if you want, you can modify the font. Select all of them. If you want, you can modify the font, but I guess it's perfect. We can increase the distance of the items over here. You can increase it to increase the spacing. Now we'll put a button at the right top corner. Click text or T on the keyboard and type hire us. Click the shape tool or press R on the keyboard. Make a perfect rectangle for the button and adjust it. Make sure you keep everything aligned and centered. Let me put the background of the button as white and the color of the text as the background color of the entire design. There you go. I'm gonna group this up. Click the background shape and the text holding shift, and now group the items pressing Ctrl G, and here you go. We have now a button, and if you zoom in you can adjust the corner radius of the button. Alright, we're done with the navigation bar. Let's come to the title of the header. Click the text tool or press D on the keyboard. Now you need to type something that is supposed to grab everyone's attention. Let's as it is a digital marketing agency, let's put strategic design and technology agency. Now click the left text align option and then increase the font size. Let's give 62 and then adjust it and make this bold. Before all of this, select the desktop frame, and on the right side of the screen in the layout grid section, click the icon. This will add a layout grid to the desktop frame. Click over the 9 dotted icons and change it from grid to column. Count 12, margin 100 and gutter 20. So this is the layout. Now I'll adjust the items. Make sure the items are inside the layout. You can also hide the layout overlay in case you don't feel comfortable designing with it. You can hide it clicking the eye icon over here. Now we almost have everything aligned inside the layout. I will now import the image. Here you go, and adjust it. Make sure your image has transparent background. So the image part is done. This text part is still incomplete. I'm gonna need to include a description, a short description over here. So click text or T on the keyboard. I don't have any idea what to put over here, so I'll go for a dummy text. I'll paste the dummy text and adjust it and make the font size as 18 and thickness as medium and adjust it. I'll make the text a bit darker. There you go, it looks good. You can do a lot more things to beautify this text part, because this text part is one of the main things that can grab everyone's attention. So this part needs to be attractive actually. So I can select this part and make it green. You can do whatever you want to make it look beautiful and catchy. The height of the entire desktop frame looks really big and weird, so I'm going to decrease it. It needs a CTA now. I can use this button to make a CTA for this part. Ctrl C to copy and zoom over here, and Ctrl V to paste. And then I need to make some few adjustments. For example, I need to increase the font as this will look really weird. Let's increase the font size to, let's put 18. I'm going to adjust the spacing and then align them to the left. Our design is almost done. Now I will make background design. Press the pen tool or press P on the keyboard, and you gotta come up with something. I'm making a design like this, background design. I'll remove the stroke and add a fill or put a color code 2422. It looks good. It's similar to the background of the entire design, but this one is a bit darker. Let me take it to the back. So this is it guys. Do like the video and subscribe our channel. Peace.